of Frontier Solar. Robin, really good to have you with us today.
Hello.
Let me ask you about this situation in the solar industry, because clearly it's been tough. It's been a tough time for the solar panel makers. You're slightly different in that you create the mounts.
Yes.
For the solar panels. Are you still being impacted though by the price falls?
Yes or no. Solar module costs down a little bit and slow down in the business, but for our solar racks and trackers increase definitely because of the cost down to meet the market. Then our installation increase instead.
What is demand like? Because of course, as I just mentioned, the subsidies have been rolled back in two of the biggest markets, Italy and Germany.
Yes, but our main market is in Australia and China. Australia is still in good track. China has a new policy to increase the demand of installation. We just got 2.5 megawatt in China, which is almost 20% of last year sales. Yes.
So the biggest market for growth then going forward, is that going to be China and Australia, or is it elsewhere in the world?
I think both Australia and China market, but we have another market like India, Japan will increase by this year, though some other countries like European countries crisis down, but yes, there are other countries emerge out.
You know, we look at the situation here globally, and we look at the drive that we're seeing all over in the world for more sustainable energy, alternative forms of power aside from coal, and it looks like a very strong growth story. What are the risks to growth that your company faces?
I think the purpose we go to list is to prevent that the risks. Because when we do globalization, that means we can grow stably. And after listing, I think we will build more capacity for the world installations. So that will prevent the risk of the solar mounting and racks companies. Yeah.
How is the overall market looking at the moment and looking forward, going sort of for the next 5-10 years? You know, how are you dealing with the increasing costs that a number of other energy companies are facing?
Yeah, definitely the trend of the solar market in next 5 and 10 years will increase without any doubt. So for solar mounting and tracking company like us, will put more innovation in the product development. So we'll put our energy, people, investment on that. So we'll keep the leading position in the world as the last 5 years.
You are raising money, of course, on this exchange here in Australia. What are you planning on doing with the funds?
Yes, just now I mentioned we will build a new plant to expanding capacity of productivity, and we will build R&D center with a laboratory. Actually, we will integrate our solar mounting products on the roof, on the ground, like a solar park, electrical back charger stations, our new products, into the plant as a showroom. So our customer visit us, will have all the products built on site. They can analyze this and compare with other competitors. They will buy without any question, because it's all there. It's
all there, all in one place. What about M&A opportunities for you in this industry? I mean, in a number of industries globally now, we've seen consolidation. Is there consolidation in your industry, and if so, are there opportunities for you there?
Yes. In fact, in the coming years, we still focus solar mounting racks and tracker development. So, as I said before, the trend down for the solar modules actually meet the cost of the core and hydro power. So, the future market, it will be market driving. That means the solar installation will increase a lot in coming years, so it will not affect actually for our solar installation companies.
Okay. Yeah. All right, Robin, it's been a pleasure to have you with us.
Yeah, I'm pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much for joining us, and enjoy the rest of your travels around Australia.
Thank you very much.
Rovin with me there, the CEO of Frontier Solar.